a half kneeling cable chop. You're going to need a rope attachment or a straight pull attachment if you have it. Some gyms don't. And if you want an AirX pad or something to put your knee down on. Now you're going to set the cable up at one of the highest positions. I'm using a pulley system here. You're going to set up in a half kneeling position. Now you might be prescribed one way or the other. This one here, where I've got my leg down closest to the machine or the cable machine, or the other way. Now, depending on what you're prescribed will vary slightly, but you're still in a half kneeling position. So you're going to grab a hold of that rope, both palms facing down. You're going to chop down and then rotate through slightly. Now notice that there's no movement through my lower torso. I'm dissociating upper body from lower body. If I show you the other variation, same thing. Palms stay down, I'm nice and stacked here. Pull across, rotate through. So the knee that's up, when it's furthest away from the cable, that's contralateral load. And if I've got my knee up that's closest to the machine, that's an ipsilateral load. You might be prescribed one or another. Pay attention in your notes. We want to make sure that we stay nice and stacked the whole time, that we don't kind of extend through our rib cage through the movement or slouch down. Imagine that your spine is the axis of rotation and you're rotating through your spine. We want to make sure that the hips are pointing straight ahead the entire time and there's not a lot of deviation through the movement.